Are you tired of guessing which regions your competitors dominate? Learn to isolate traffic by global business region in under 3 minutes. We'll start by organizing your projects in Semrush folders, then drill into traffic and market, activate business regions, and add competitors for a clear regional breakdown. Start by heading to Semrush folders. Then, click on Traffic and Market to begin your competitive analysis. Now, click on Business Regions to focus on global areas. Then, click on the highlighted region. Next, click on Business Regions again to refine your selection. And click on the highlighted region once more. Now click on Add Competitors to include brands you want to compare. Finally, click on Analyze. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.